Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets in our modern lives, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality to keep us connected, informed, and motivated throughout our busy schedules, offering a plethora of features that go far beyond simple timekeeping. Number 5. Tulip One-Step Tie-Dye Party Kit. Get ready for a tie-dye party like no other. This kit is designed for fun and ease, making vibrant creations simple for everyone. With enough supplies for up to 36 projects, this kit is perfect for parties or individual crafting. You can even share it with up to 6 friends. Forget the fuss of pre-soaking. Simply add water to the bottles to activate the brilliant colors. It's that easy to get started. You don't need any special pre-treatment for your fabrics. This innovative formula means no soda ash is required, saving you time and effort. Explore a world of color with 14 popular shades. Our step-by-step guide will show you how to create over 8 different tie-dye looks. This comprehensive kit comes with 18 easy-squeeze bottles of non-toxic dyes. It even includes a reusable storage bin to keep everything organized. What we like. This kit makes tie-dyeing incredibly simple, just add water to activate the dyes. You don't even need to pre-soak your fabrics in soda ash. If you're looking for a fun, mess-free craft activity for a party or a group, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The box includes gloves, a tarp, rubber bands, and numerous colors. There is also a guide for different styles of tie-dye. It worked great and you can use it numerous times. This kit comes with everything you need. So much fun, and all of our shirts came out looking great. Everything you need is included, and the setup is simple. You just add water to the bottles, shake, and you're ready to start dyeing, no complicated mixing or extra supplies required. The colors turned out bright and vibrant, and the results looked great once the items were rinsed and washed. Number 4. Chemical Dyes VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. Introducing a revolutionary product that combines powerful cutting action with a fine finishing polish. It's designed to tackle scratches, swirls, and oxidation with ease. Achieve a smooth, crystal clear, high-gloss finish in just one step. You won't need any extra polishing steps to get that showroom shine back. This versatile formula is safe for all paint types, including clear coats, single-stage paints, and even ceramic coatings. Use it confidently by hand or with a machine polisher. Our silicone-free formula is safe for repainting and touch-up work. It's perfect for preparing panels before applying coatings or protective layers. Experience fast cutting and fine finishing in a single application. This makes detailing quicker while still delivering professional-level results every time. Ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, and more. Whether you're a detailing enthusiast or a professional, this is your go-to for paint scratch repair. What we like. This product combines cutting and polishing in a single step, saving you significant time. It restores a high-gloss finish without extra steps. If you're a car enthusiast or a detailer who wants professional results quickly and easily, this is the solution for you. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and use. It is made of high-quality materials and feels very durable. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. Number 3. Bed Step for High Beds Adults. Experience ultimate comfort with our upgraded TPE pad. Its soft, micro-textured surface provides shock-absorbing support for your bare feet, making those late-night trips much more pleasant. Safety is paramount. This step stool features an ultra-stable base and widened non-slip feet, ensuring it stays firmly in place and prevents tipping, even when stepped on near the edge. Built to last, this mobility aid is SGS certified to support up to 600 pounds. It provides seniors and those recovering from surgery with the confidence to step up safely. Move with confidence on any surface. The TPR rubber grips on the base prevent sliding on hardwood, tile, or concrete, both indoors and outdoors. Maintaining cleanliness is simple. The detachable TPE mat is washable, ensuring a hygienic experience for your daily use. What we like. This step features a soft, comfortable pad perfect for bare feet, even for late-night trips. Its ultra-stable, anti-flip design provides crucial safety for seniors or those recovering from surgery. If you prioritize comfort and absolute safety when stepping up, especially in a bedroom or bathroom, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The game has a very engaging story that keeps you hooked from start to finish. The puzzles are well designed and offer a good challenge without being overly frustrating. The art style is unique and beautiful, really adding to the atmosphere of the game. Number 2. SPACELEAD Mobility Step Stool. Discover the SPACELEAD Mobility Step Stool, designed to provide extra support and convenience for adults and seniors. Its sturdy construction and anti-slip features make it a reliable aid for various needs. Crafted from premium polypropylene, this stool boasts exceptional durability and stability. It can support up to 600 pounds, thanks to its innovative 5-foot design that ensures enhanced balance and prevents collapse. Step with confidence on its anti-slip rubber mat, which provides a secure footing and features drainage holes for use in damp areas. The mat is also detachable for easy cleaning. Customize your experience with its adjustable feet, allowing you to easily modify the height by up to 1.1 inches. This ensures a perfect fit for your individual needs and preferences. This portable step stool is a versatile solution for everyday challenges. Use it to safely navigate stairs, get in and out of bed, or as an extra step in your kitchen, office, or bathroom. Weighing only 3.58 pounds and with dimensions of 16.5 L x 12.6 W x 2.76 H, it's incredibly easy to carry and store. Take it wherever you need a little extra help. What we like. This step stool offers adjustable feet for a customized height and a stable, anti-slip surface with drainage. It's designed for versatile use in various damp or dry environments. If you need a customizable and stable stepping solution for bathrooms, kitchens, or general accessibility, this is a great option. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and set up. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. It has multiple features that make it versatile for different uses. Number 1. One small step for landmines. Introducing a groundbreaking initiative aimed at addressing the persistent threat of landmines. This project represents a significant advancement in our efforts to create a safer world. We are embarking on a new era, one where the dangers posed by these hidden threats are significantly reduced. Our commitment is to pave the way for a future free from their devastating impact. Through innovative solutions and dedicated action, we are making tangible progress. This is more than just a project, it's a movement towards global security and peace. Our work directly empowers communities affected by landmines, offering them hope and a path towards recovery. We believe in building a future where everyone can live without fear. Be a part of this vital mission to eradicate landmines. Together, we can take one small step that leads to monumental change for generations to come. What we like. This product carries a powerful name that signifies a significant advancement for humanity. It's designed with a core focus on safety and progress. If you appreciate products that carry a deeper meaning and contribute to a safer, more hopeful future, this is the one to consider. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as expected. The features are innovative and user-friendly. The build quality is excellent, and it feels durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.